Hello everyone, it's been a while. Today we want to quickly identify a computer that was brought in that has no display. Now we just turn on the computer and we want to see if it's going to turn on. Pressing on the power button, you can see the power LED flashes and then it goes back off. Let's open the bottom cover to see what is going on with this particular motherboard cover. So I bring my plastic just to remove this part. I know some people use metals. It's not advisable. You just end up scratching or giving some dents. There is no power, no battery, and the CMOS is out. I connect the charger and it's behaving the same way. You can see the LED is kind of flashing. So the next thing, we have to remove power and bring in our multimeter. I'll start with the main power rail. That's good. Then I'll go with a 5V rail. It's good. I'll come with a 3V rail. That's good as well. The PCH. I think we are good on here. So with voltage, black probe goes on ground. So I'll start with the main power rail. Do I have, that's a good rail. What about a 5V? We have 5V. What about 3V? Yes, it comes and goes. What about PCH? Yes, this is good. The next rail, this is off. Main power rail stays for a while. It should be constant, okay, like 12V5. Mostly supposed to be 13 volts, but this is approximately 13. So I just want to see if it's constant. So this is constant. What about the 5V? The 5V is also constant, right? The 3V is the one that is kind of pulsing. It comes and it goes. So I can conclude that probably there is an issue with the BIOS. This one is supposed to be 3V3, like 3.3 volts. And this is 1V8. So you can see there is a poor communication between the EC and the main BIOS. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this motherboard out and I'm going to write the BIOS for the EC and for the main BIOS, okay? Just give me a few minutes. I'll pull this motherboard out and then we continue this video. So here we are trying to install back the EC BIOS chip and the main BIOS chip that we programmed back in their places. Just like that. Here I'll just have to come with a DC power supply and supply this motherboard with some power. We just want to know how much current this motherboard is drawing. Now the fan just spinned, so I just want to measure to see if there is a proper communication. If you should have 3V3 on the pin number 8 on the main BIOS chip, unlike before we had 1V8. So this indicates a good communication, and now the fan is just spinning. So I'll just remove the power, assemble this motherboard into its chassis, and then all I'll have to do is to wait and wait and wait until I see an HP logo come on the screen. Ha ha ha.